Yes, welcome. The following are the answers to the questions which I said. Please pay attention and I wish you the best. Question number 1. You can see a picture there. So look at the picture, identify the person in the picture, and the answer to that question with someone playing guitar is called B, guitarist. Question number 2, you also see a picture there. Look at the picture, identify the person playing the picture and playing the instrument. Someone playing piano is called B, a pianist. Question number 3, a violin player is called B, violinist. Question number 4, Home Science Association School where potentials are brewed in the nest is a B, school anthem. The two, you can see two signs. Those accidentals, what are they called? The above signs are called dash. A, music signs, which is question number 5. Question number 6, the sign is called, you can see a sign that looks like something curvy. The sign is called, the answer is base sign. Question number 7, the above sign is called G sign. Question number 8, a sax player is called saxophonist. Question number 7. Question number 9, a drum player is called a drummer. Question number 10, 5 lines and 4 space are called B, music lines. Music lines. Question number 11, one person singing is called B, soloist. Question number 12, the sign, you can see a sign, you see a long line, then you see something like this and of that nature. Question number 12, which is the sign is called B, music note. Question number 13, the drum, that drum, identify that drum. What is that drum called? B. The answer is B, which is traditional Yoruba drum. Question number 14, the above instrument is called, if you look at that instrument, identify that instrument. The answer is B, traditional Nigerian music instrument. Question number 15, the piano black key is called, the answer is B, sharp. Question number 16, the black keys are dash, the answer is up, which is B. Question number 17, the music note is identified as, the answer is B, which is minim note. Question number 18, the music note is called dash, which is B, quaver note. Question number 19, the above music note is identified as dash, which is B, minim note. Question number 19, the above instrument, if you look at that instrument, there is a way it looks like. Look at the instrument very well. That instrument is called B, violin. So thank you for paying attention. Thank you very much. Once more, my name is Mr. Samson Adekunle Badmus, the music teacher for Primary 2, Home Science Association Nursery and Primary School, Ikoyi. Thank you and God bless.